Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a duck. Now this was no ordinary duck. This duck was very, very special. Why? Because he could swim backwards. That's right. While all other ducks in the kingdom swam forwards, this one swam backwards. Can you imagine? He would swim with his paddling mates to the river, all the way to the south of the kingdom, and while they swam to the south, he would swim back. To them, it must have looked like magic. So they'd ask him, "Hey, how are you swimming backwards?" And he'd reply, "I don't know. I just love swimming backwards." But deep down, he didn't really love swimming backwards. You see, he loved playing with the other ducks, but they wouldn't let him play with them because he swam backwards. So he spent all his time alone. One day he met a wise old turtle who asked him, "Why are you so sad?" The duck explained his problem to the turtle. "I want to swim forward like the other ducks so that I can play with them, but I can't. It's just the way I'm built." The turtle thought for a moment. "Well, I think you should enter the King's New Year's Day swimming race. You can swim backwards, and all the other ducks will swim forwards. You'll be the only one swimming backwards, but you'll win because no one else can swim backwards as fast as you." The duck thought this was a great idea. "That's just what I need," he said. "Thanks for cheering me up." The next few weeks passed in a flash, and soon it was the day of the race. All the ducks in the kingdom were there, even the king and queen. They had come to watch the race. The duck was very nervous. What if he lost? Would the other ducks laugh at him even more if he lost? Taking a deep breath, he tried to calm himself down. The race started, and all the ducks shot off like arrows. The duck was left all alone. He started paddling furiously to catch up with the others, but they were too far ahead. He could see the finish line from where he was, but it seemed like an impossible distance to cover. Still, he kept paddling, hoping against hope that he would make it. As he swam, the crowd started to cheer. "Go on, you can do it. Come on, you're almost there." The duck swam faster, the duck swam faster. Suddenly, he saw the ribbon marking the finish line. With a final burst of speed, he shot through it. He had done it. He had won. The king was so happy to see a new swimming champion that he made the duck a knight and gave him a golden crown to wear around his neck.
Oh.
All the other ducks congratulated him, and he became friends with them after that. They had been so caught up in winning the race that none of them had noticed that the duck was swimming backwards. They were amazed when they realized he had been swimming backwards all along. "Wow, you're amazing," they said. "We never knew you could swim backwards that fast." From that day on, the duck was never lonely again. He swam with the other ducks every day, and they never made fun of him for swimming backwards. Instead, they loved him for it. The end.